Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making salmon patties. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone Food Pantry, and some of the items are from the store. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we do is we open up the 2 cans of salmon, and now we need to strain the liquid. Now we need to take that strained salmon and add it to our bowl. Take 1 egg. I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to mix that all together. Make sure that egg is completely incorporated. We're going to add our breadcrumbs, our lemon juice, our garlic, paprika, parsley, a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we'll just mix that all together into one formed patty. Make sure it's mixed real good. See how it's sticking together like that? That's what we're looking for. Now we're just going to turn that into 4 separate patties.
Hi, my name is Kara. I'm the district's dietitian. I'm also a proud Pike grad. I'm here with a couple nutrition tidbits. So this recipe includes salmon, which is a great source of heart-healthy omega-3s. It also has high-quality protein and is a good source of vitamin D. The American Heart Association also recommends eating fish twice a week to promote heart health.
We need to add a little olive oil to the pan. We've got that under nice medium heat. We're gonna set our salmon patty in there until it gets nice and golden brown. Then we're gonna flip it, get it on the other side, and we'll be ready to go. I like to serve these salmon patties with a little side salad, mixed greens, and a lemon wedge. You can also have that as a sandwich and use your favorite condiment on there. A little bit of lemon juice. Just hit that. Delicious.